e president lo e pate loka FDC Patrick Oboy Amuriat ngese e balebe mam ngese losi achamun ay jale pate loka FDC karaida e jaye gulolo e ngarono
mamo yenga koto yesai yalongongo narai engare lo FDC era ile nyamita balang kwa paesi mame ngapuni ye tukuriani yo aneja idistunganan are tia nyesai ye buniti ajenengo enera gogo nari jasesi enere nga gogo nari jaka teke ajenengo enere nga gogo nare jeni museveni ya totoletena elongo teso nati kolete ite asesi ishoda kera lokosi ukipura ke polon ebala teso asava isingin ebala teso aspika nyin ebala teso minister lo akiro anokinga ngod ebala teso minister ni kanyare nuchichikanu abalengi engwe chumi ngongolo to unen do yesi nyamete
engara ki chekolo mutos opate loka FDC ke sapoti ke uti au misho kech ko baka sebe e genete kesi Amuriat akwape e present kech loko e patelo FDC.
There have been concerns about who belongs to Katonga, who belongs to Najanankumbi. There have been talk of cliques, a clique belonging to Katonga or a clique belonging to Najanankumbi. You can't be a clique belonging to Najanankumbi or Katonga. Every member of FDC must pay allegiance to the party headquarters, which is Najanankumbi. And if Katonga Road chooses to disrespect Najanankumbi, then that is unfortunate. But for every member of the FDC party, their allegiance must be paid to the party headquarters.
About the conflict that is confronting us as a party right now, for me, I am confident that this is not a permanent situation. It's going to calm down. People are just saying that, well, there may be confusion, there may be differences, but there should be effort to try and resolve these conflicts.
Some people have been asking me, there is a Katonga faction, there is the Najanankumbi. What we understand is that as Soroti City, our party headquarters is based in a Kisim ward. That is where the party headquarters of FDC is for Soroti City and the region of Teso. But when you go to Kampala, you will find the party headquarters is at Naja and Tebe Road. That's when where you will find the party headquarters for FDC. So whichever function that is supposed to happen, if it's an issue of FDC, you go to Najanankumbi. Whoever will go outside Najanankumbi, then it means you're not heading for anything concerning FDC as a party.
Kejangun Apollo Kiton St. Peter's Theological College Reverend Beseri Otekat ngese chara kengano kulu kobalebe ekotengano kulu achamun asomne pepe.
I want to appeal to the leaders. The problems that may come in leadership should not make us fight, should not make us kill, should not make us hunt for one another, should not make us to deny services to the people who have entrusted us with the responsibility of leadership. Because we serve them, God puts us in positions of leadership to serve the people, to speak for them, and to understand their situation. And so when we begin to fight, there is a saying that when the elephants fight, the grass suffer, which should not be a case in as far as this leadership is concerned.
Kanuka TV East, Rebecca Mongin, Koibuga, Soroti.